What up, everybody? It's your boy B Hall coming at you again with another video. I'm in my shoe room. Remember, subscribe, bro. Subscribe. Hit that like, share, subscribe button. Remember, like my videos, bro. Like my videos, and I can bring y'all more content like this. You know what I'm saying? I can bring more content like this. But anyway, I'm back with some heat. Some heat. Straight fire. You can see by my my hoodie, my Chicago Bulls hat. Chicago Bulls. So you know what they are. You know they Mikes, they Jordans. So remember, like, share, subscribe. Anyway, without further ado, I present to you go. Ooh. 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 Oh, Jordans. Told y'all. You got the you can guess it's the TORO 6s. You can see that TORO 6s come with the TORO and cement box. You got the TORO red, then you got the black Jumpman on there. This is my size right here, 10.5. This is my size. Yes, sir, my size. But anyway, here we go. Bam. Come with cement paper. Yes, sir. Haha. Yeah, under the cement paper is voila. The 6s, the red 6s. Let's go. Yes. Alright. So here we go. Bam. Bam, this is an instant sellout. I ain't gonna lie. This is an instant sellout. These are a guaranteed cop for anybody who wants these. These are guaranteed. They're not gonna sit long, in my opinion. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. And this is like a suede material from the women's 11s that came out. This is all suede, no leather on this. This is all suede. Then you go to the mid sole. You got the infrared leather on here. I mean the infrared, you know what I'm saying? Hence the infrared. Got the black on there. Bam. You look to it. Bam. Got the infrared lace lock. Come with red strings. Only one pair of shoestrings to come with. You look in there. Let me see. You look in there. You got the infrared Jumpman, black infrared Jumpman in the insole. Look on the back. Ooh, yes. And of course, you got the icy bottoms. Gotta get some shoes, some sole protectors for these. Got to. You don't want this. You don't want them to just age that quick. You want to keep them as icy as possible. At least that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I like these. I like these. Ooh wee. Ooh. Ooh wee. Ooh. So yeah, I'm gonna get the other shoe. Here we go. Bam. Both the left and the right together. These are cool. These are cool. I like these. These are my top releases so far this year. I don't know why, I just like these. I like these. Bam. These are cold, to be honest with you. Look at that. Look at that. I ain't licking no soles. But yeah. These are fire. I think these are great. You hear me? You see them? These are it. Instant sellout. So these come out June 24th, and it's March 30th, and I got them already. These are cold. I like these. These are cold. I'm gonna hit y'all with some comparison between these and the 5s that came out, the Raging Bull 5s. I honestly I like the 6s better, but you know. But I like the 5s too, but I like the 6s better. This is it. Wow. Look at that. These are tight. But yeah, like I was saying, man, don't be on the lookout for my next video. Should be those black and UNC ones, those black and UNC ones. That's gonna be on my next video. So, alright, so that's it. That's these shoes. Remember, they come out June 24th, 2023. I got them. This is March when I got them. So I'm a whole, you know what I'm saying, what's that, 3 months ahead? 3 months ahead of the game. Trying to, you know what I'm saying, be on the lookout for my next shoe video. Should be those UNC and black ones. I like those. I could have got those 5s, those all blue UNC 5s, like last November, but I didn't want them. You know what I'm saying? I held them and everything. I don't like these. But yes, this is it. I like these. Hoo-wee! Hoo-wee! That's it. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment. Please comment, like, share, subscribe to my videos. It's your boy B Hall checking out from the Hallway Gang. Peace.